So, Mr. Sarthak, parallel lines. State giving reasons whether AB is parallel to CD or not. So you have to give a reason that whether this is parallel to this. So what would be the reason?
So they're equidistant to each other.
I'm sorry?
So they're equidistant to each other.
Mr. Satya?
Yes, sir.
Have you done this question?
Yes, sir. I wrote two angles are same and they have alternate exterior angles.
Okay. So, Mr. Sarthak, this is 60 degree, therefore this would be 60 degree. Any doubt about this, Mr. Sarthak?
No, sir.
Now, if you have two lines, AB and CD, and this angle is equal to this angle, then the lines would be.
Parallel.
Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
You can also say that this is 60 degree, therefore this is 60 degree. Because this angle is equal to this angle. Therefore, these two lines are. Okay. Mr. Sarthak, can you tell me whether these lines are parallel or not? Mr. Satya,
Yes.
are these lines parallel? AB and CD are parallel?
Yes, sir, I think.
Why they are parallel?
So because they opposite each other, because like A and B and C and D, they are like opposite each other.
Arey, sir, you have to prove it by logic. Logic states if this is 130 degree, therefore this is 130 degree. Any doubt about this?
No,
This is 55 degree. Therefore, this angle would be. Mr. Sarthak,
130 degree.
180 minus 55. Any doubt? See, we need to check whether AB and CD are parallel or not. AB is parallel to CD or not. We need to check this. We are not given that these are parallel. Have you understood the difference? Mr. Sarthak,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya.
yes,
Mr. Satya, they are asking whether they are parallel or not. They haven't told you whether these are parallel. You need to check. And how can we check? This is 55 degree. Therefore, this angle would be, Mr. Sarthak. This is a straight line.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, if this is 55, this would be 180 minus 55. Any doubt?
No, sir.
so will it
Therefore,
be 125?
this will be 125 degree. Any doubt?
No,
Mr. Sarthak, this angle is 125 degree and this angle is 130 degree. So are these lines parallel? Mr. Sarthak?
What? So
Sorry?
your voice isn't clear.
Mr. Satya, can you hear me?
yes, sir.
This angle is 130 degree. This angle is 125 degree. So is this line parallel to this?
No, sir.
No, sir. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir, you need to look at the question again. What the question is asking you is state giving reasons whether AB is parallel to CD or not. They haven't told you that these two lines are parallel. Mr. Sarthak, do you understand the difference? Mr. Satya,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya,
Yes,
sir, you need to use logic. you need to look at various angles. There are few things which are obviously correct in all situations. So for example, in all situations, I know that this angle would be equal to this angle. I know that this angle would be equal to this angle. These two are always equal. I also know that if this angle is theta, then Mr. Sarthak, if this angle is 30 degree, Mr. Sarthak, how much will be this angle? Mr. Sarthak? Mr. Satya?
150 degrees.
150 degree. This is 30 degree. Therefore, this angle would be, because this is a straight line. So this angle would be 180 degree minus 30 degree is equal to 150 degree. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt? So what I'm trying to tell you is that it is not given that AB is parallel to CD. You need to prove that AB is parallel to CD. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
So for example, in question number 3, they haven't given you that this line AB and CD, it is not given that AB is parallel to CD. You need to prove that. But what they have told you is that this line is parallel to this. Do you see this sign? Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So they have told us that this is parallel to this. And using this fact, we need to prove that this line and this line, they are parallel to each other. Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, because they are telling me that this and this is parallel, now I have some information at my hand, which means that if this is 100 degree, this angle would also be 100 degree. Is it okay? Mr. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, if this angle is 100 degree, this angle would also be 100 degree. Mr. Satya, is it okay?
Yes.
So, Mr. Satya, what do you think? Now, is AB parallel to CD?
Yes, sir. It's parallel.
Yes, sir, it is parallel. This is parallel to this because if this is a transversal, this angle and this angle both are equal. Because both of these angles are equal, 100 degree, therefore this line is also parallel to this line. Mr. Sarthak, have you understood?
Sir.
Okay. Again, they are telling us that this line is parallel to this. Using this information, I will try to prove that this line and this line, they are parallel to each other. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So this and this is parallel. Therefore, what I can do is, this is a transversal. Therefore, this angle is 95 degree. Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
Sir.
Okay. This angle is 95. Therefore, this angle would be, Mrs. Sarthak? This is 95. Therefore, this angle, Mr. Satya, would be
85 degrees.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now, Mr. Satya, are these two lines parallel?
Yes, sir.
Arey, how are they parallel?
No, sir. Sorry.
This is AB This is CD. This is a transversal. This angle is 95 degree. This angle is 85 degree. So can this
Okay,
line
sir,
be
I understood.
parallel to this? Have you understood the logic?
Yes.
Mr. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So in these type of questions, they don't tell you that the lines are parallel. They are asking you whether the line is parallel to one of the line is parallel to the other or not. So using your basic logic, you need to understand that whether the lines are parallel or not. Any doubt? Okay. Were you able to do this question, Mr. Satya? First part,
So once,
Mr. Sarthak?
Sir, just a second.
yes, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Satya, can you tell me how to do this question?
So I've
So,
also
so,
Okay, okay. Yeah, Mr. Satya?
so, sir, this is a Z. So A will also be 65 because it's a Z.
Okay. See, this line, whole of this line is parallel to this also and this also. Therefore, you are absolutely correct that this angle is a Z. This is a Z. Therefore, this is 65 degree and this is 65 degree. Mr. Satya, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, is it okay?
yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, what should I do next? Mr. Satya, what should I do next?
Sir, extend these lines.
Okay, after that,
After that,
this is 65 degrees. Therefore, this angle is also 65 degrees. Any doubt about this?
no, sir.
If this is 65 degree, then Mr. Satya, this angle would be
One. So 100 degrees.
now this angle is 115 degree. Therefore, this angle,
115 degrees.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Mr. Sarthak, were you able to do part two?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me how to do it?
So, um, so 72 degrees is given on the right corner. So the angle in front of it will also be 72 degrees.
Okay.
So that makes a Z. So D will be 72 degrees.
Shabash, very nice. Therefore,
Then like under the D will also be 72 degrees. Then
this
that
one,
also makes the Z. So B will also be 72 degrees.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, next, what will be C?
So C will be 108 degrees.
180 minus 72 degree is equal to 108 degree. Any doubt, Mr. Satya?
No.
Okay. See, if you want to have a small revision, what you need to understand is that if this is one of the line, can you please note this down? If these two lines are parallel to each other, please note this down, and this is a transversal. Now let us assume this angle is 38 degree. If this angle is 38 degree, therefore this angle, Mr. Satya, would be
Which one, sir?
this angle would be
38 degrees.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So what you need to understand is that if this is 38 degree and this line is parallel to each other, therefore whatever be this angle would also be equal. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt? Mr. Sarthak, any doubt? Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Can you note it down?
Yes.
So these two angles would be equal. This would be equal to this. Similarly, this angle, and this angle, they would be equal to each other. This line, these two lines are parallel. If this is 52 degree, Mr. Satya, what would be this angle?
So, sir, I am not getting it.
So this angle is equal to this angle?
Okay, okay. So 52 degrees.
52 degree. Any doubt?
No,
Mr. Satya, if this is 48 degree, therefore this angle would be
48 degrees.
Shabash. These two are parallel lines. If this angle is 38 degree, Mr. Satya, therefore this angle would be
38 degrees.
this is called F. Like we had done Z, this is called F. Can you see this F?
Yes, sir, but which angles are same in the F?
Okay, this angle and this angle. So you
Okay.
look for F. So this is the F.
Okay.
You can also make this a F, this and this. This is a inverted F. This is a F like this. Yeah. So if this is F, then again this angle would be equal to this angle. So like Z, like when we see Z, Z comes in these two shapes. So F can be in this shape, can be in this shape, can be in this shape, or it can be in this shape. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Let us try to practice few more questions. So if this is 110 degree, Mr. Satya, this would be
110 degrees.
why? Because you
Because
have
it's forming an F.
Shabash. You see an F now? So if this is 110 degree, this again is 110 degree. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No,
Okay. If this is 70 degrees, this would be
70 degrees.
why?
Because it's again forming an F.
Again, it is forming an F. Any doubt?
No, sir.
If this is 70 degree, therefore this would be
70 degrees.
why?
Because it's forming an F.
Because this is forming an F. This is forming a F like this. This is an F. This is a F. This is a F. And this is a F. Any doubt?
No,
Okay. So for example, if this is 110 degree, therefore this would be
110 degrees.
shabash. So now I have two rules. One is a Z, another is a F. So this and this is equal to this is equal to this is example of Z. And if you want F, you have lot of F. This is a F, this is a F, this is a F, this is a F. Any doubt?
No,
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt? Mr. Satya, any doubt?
no,
Okay. Mr. Satya, have you done third part?
yes,
Okay. Can you tell me how to do it?
yes, sir.
Yeah.
So, sir, 50, 55 is there, so C will also be 55.
Shabash. Okay. After that,
Then, if C is 55, then we need to subtract 55 from 180. So it would be B would be 120.
do you see a F?
Yes, yes, sir.
This is a F. Do you see this? Yeah. So,
Yeah,
so what I'm trying to tell you is, if this is a F, then this angle would be equal to this angle.
yes, sir. And then A will also be the same.
So you can do any way you want. So for example, if this is 55 degree, this is 55 degree. What you are saying is that this angle should be equal to 180 minus 55. That is also correct. Absolutely correct. So 75 to 125 degree. Mr. Satya, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And what I am trying to tell you is that if this is 55 degree, this would be 125 degree, then this will form an F. Do you see this? And because it is an F, this 125 degree is equal to 125 degree. Mr. Satya, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, this angle would be equal to
125 degrees.
Shabash. Now this is 125 degree. How do I find this D?
So it's again forming an F. So this will also be 125 degrees.
So what is the F that
So
is formed? Hmm.
should I draw on the screen?
1 second. See, what you need to understand about F is that the F which will be formed would be like this. So this angle would be equal to this angle. Have you understood?
Yes,
So what I'm trying to tell you is that if this is a F which is formed, then this angle would be equal to this angle. Do not take this angle. Have you understood?
yes, sir.
So for example, if we want to form a F here, so if we want to form an F, then this angle would be equal to this angle. Do not try to take this angle. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir. Understood. So D will be 55 degrees.
This angle was 125 degree. Yeah, it was 125 degree. Then we can form a, like what you are saying, we can make a F like this. Like this. Because then this angle would be equal to this angle. Mr. Satya, is it okay?
Yes.
This is a F which is formed, therefore this angle is equal to this angle. Now this angle is 55 degree, therefore this angle would also be equal to 55 degree. Any doubt?
No.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Mr. Satya, did you do fourth part?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, did you do fourth part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me how to do it?
So because this one is 55, so it forms a Z, and then D will also be 55.
One second. One second. So, one second. Yeah. Now it will be easier to see. Okay. So if this is 55, then this would be 55 degree. Shabash. This would be 55 degree. Very nice. After this,
So then because the right uh, this left low part is 25,
yeah.
so above B will also be 25.
Shabash. This will be 25. Shabash. Very nice. Now what is remaining? A is remaining. How should I find A? Mr. Satya, how can I find A?
Sir, it will be 30.
It will be 30. Why? Because the Z is being formed here like this. So if this is 30, then this would be 30. And Mr. Satya, what would be C?
Then, sir, C will also be 30.
Why it will be 30?
So because it's forming an F.
F with which? With what?
No, sir, it's not forming an F.
Mr. Sarthak.
So I'm just
Okay. 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 Now another thing that you can understand is just try to understand this. And if you have any doubt, please ask me. See, if this is 50 degree, Mr. Satya, what will be this?
50 degree.
Why?
So because it's forming an F.
If this is 50 degree, what will be this? Mr. Sarthak, what will be this angle?
what, sir?
This is 50 degree. Therefore, this angle would be 180 degree minus 50 degree is equal to
130 degree.
130 degree. So this angle would be 130 degree. Mr. Satya, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, the third rule that we need to understand is that sum of these two angles would be equal to 180 degree always. Have you understood?
Yes.
So this angle plus this angle. So if this is 50 degree, this has to be 130 degree.
Okay. So should I tell D?
Bache, 1 second. So if this angle is 130 degree, Mr. Satya, what will be this angle?
150 degree. Oh, sorry, 50 degrees.
50 degree. See, another reason is the rest of the reasons are always there. So for example, if this is 50 degree, this will form a Z and this will be 50 degree. Any doubt? Okay. So this angle would be, Mr. Satya.
55 degrees.
See, whole of this angle is 55 degree. Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Whole of this is 55. Therefore, whole of this should be 180 minus 55.
So, but
Any
how
doubt?
will it be? How will it be 180?
How to be 180?
Because
That
like
is what, yeah,
it's
that
not
is,
a straight line, right?
but yeah, that is what we discussed. This line is parallel to this line. These two lines are parallel, and this is a
Okay.
transversal. Therefore, whole of this plus whole of this has to be equal to 180 degree. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now, whole of this is 55 degree. Therefore, whole of this would be 180 minus 55 is equal to 125 degree. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
If this is 125 degree, this is already 55 degree. So angle C would be equal to 125 degree minus 55 degree is equal to 70 degree. Any doubt?
No, sir.
See, this is one of the difficult questions. So even if you haven't understood this, it is okay. This is one of the difficult questions. Okay. Mr. Sarthak, have you done fifth part?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me?
So first, there'll be a Z. So
Yeah.
I didn't understand this part. Why is this 110? Oh yeah, so it's 110. So this should add up as 110. So 70. So it will be 55. Sorry,
Have you
40.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Angle C would be 40 degree. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Therefore, B would be Mr. Satya.
So
So
70 degrees.
100.
See, this is a Z. Therefore, this angle would need to be equal to this angle. Therefore, this angle would be 70 degree. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Therefore, this angle would be
110 degrees.
110 degree. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No.
See, these are a bit difficult questions. Okay. Mr. Sarthak, have you done sixth part?
So I just did the A. After
Okay.
that, I
Okay. How did you find A?
so so it makes a Z. So just a second. Yeah, 115 minus. I mean, 180 minus 115 is equal to 65. So A will be 65.
Okay. Mr. Satya, what next? So
So
this is six.
Then
Yeah.
so C will be 60.
B will be 65. Sorry.
So C will be 60.
C will be 60. Why?
So because it makes a Z.
Okay. Shabash. Therefore, this is 60 degree. Okay. What next? Mr. Satya.
so we to find B need to subscribe uh, subtract 180 by 60.
Okay. Why?
What, sir? Because then it's forming it there is a straight line also, and then oh, no, sir, one second.
Can you see a F here? Can you see a F here?
Yes, sir. So it will be 65.
Therefore, if this is 65, this will also be 65 degree. Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes,
Now this is 65. This is 60 degree. Therefore, this angle would be
50 degrees.
why?
So because to one, it will become total 180. So 65 and the other angle will be same. So it would be 120.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No,
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Have you done seventh part?
No, sir.
These are a bit difficult questions. So even if you are not able to do it, not an issue. Just try to understand how they can be done. Mr. Satya, did you do this?
no, sir.
Okay.
So the time had ended at that time.
Okay. Okay. So Mr. Sarthak, this is 65 degree. Therefore, this angle would be
65 degrees.
shabash. So one is done. Okay. Now let us move to the next. This line and this line are parallel. Therefore, this angle would be any idea?
So I think 65 only.
65 only. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. What next? What can we solve for next? Mr. Satya, do you see a F?
Yes, no, sir.
Okay, I see a F here. I see a F like this. Mr. Satya, do you see it?
Yes, sir.
So if this is 115 degree, this hole should be 115 degree.
Yes, sir.
I already have 65 degree.
Yes.
Or what I can do is, chalo, theek hai. Okay, I can do like this also. So this is equal to 50 degree. So this angle would be equal to 50 degree. This angle would be equal to 50 degree. I have this angle. I have this angle. Therefore, I can find this angle because the sum would be 180. So E would be equal to 180 minus 115 degree. This will be equal to 65 degree. Therefore, E would be equal to 65 degree. Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes.
Okay. If E is 65, Mr. Sarthak, what would be D?
So 65.
65, because this is a Z. Mr. Sarthak, this would be
Can I say
yeah
115 degree?
115 degree. Sorry. This would be 115 degree. Any doubt?